In order to fix an issue of devices not being able to connect to your personal hotspot on your iPhone, what you need to do is go to your iPhone and go ahead and go to the Settings app, which is the gear icon here. And then once under Settings, you want to scroll down to where you see Personal Hotspot. Tap into Personal Hotspot. The first thing I would do is go ahead and disable by tapping the Allow Others to Join option and then enable once more. The next thing you want to check is to make sure that you're providing the correct password. So right there where it says Wi-Fi password under the Allow Others to Join option, you can tap into that just to make sure that you have all of the characters correct, whether it be capitalized or whatever it may be. And even if it would make you feel better, you can go here and change that password and hit the check mark there to save the current password. The next thing you want to do is scroll down to where you see Maximize Compatibility. You want to make sure that this is tapped and enabled over to the right. You can tell it's enabled because it's over to the right and green. Basically what this does is it allows your hotspot to be compatible with more devices. What might be happening is the device trying to connect to your hotspot is using a 2.4 gigahertz connection as opposed to something different. So just go ahead and tap that to maximize the compatibility. And then the last thing you can always do is restart your device. So just hold the volume slider as well as the power button on your device. Let it go ahead and reboot once you've made all of these changes. If you're still having issues, I will put a pinned comment down below with other things that you might want to try that are a little more obscure that could fix the issue. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.